So let's look at GBPUSD today and see the potentials we have in the market. Whenever you see a chart like this, the first thing you need to do as a trader is not to begin to look for buy or sell. Rather, is for you to look for the key levels which will serve as your springboard either to take a buy or a sell. The key levels are very important in forex trading. So right now we're going to mark out the key levels on this chart and then know where we can begin to look for our opportunities. Now, when we talk about the key levels, for some of you that do not know what key levels means, they just mean where you have excess of sellers and excess of buyers. Now, for the part you have the excess of sellers, that is where we call the resistance. So at the resistance, which is like a price ceiling, sellers tend to push down the price. And wherever we have excess of buyers, that is what we call the support, which is like the price floor, and price tend to bounce off from such places. So that is what I'm going to show you how to do, and then see how we can trade GBPUSD today. So with my horizontal line, I can start with this initial high. So this was also another point. Now you can use the upper wick or the closing prices in the market. So we've marked this high, we've marked this high, and we've marked this high. Now, sometimes I use the closing prices of the market where we have the beginning of the bodies or the ending of the bodies of the candle, okay? Then I can mark out this also. One here, then here, and then here and here. So right now we've marked out the critical levels we have on this chart, and we can see how price is reacting to the price first. As long as price remains below this key level, expect some bearish pressure sending price to this area. And also we have an imbalance here. There is an imbalance at this point and a fair value gap right at this point. So any rally towards this point should encounter serious sell pressure, which will send the price down here. So if we mark this area with let's just mark out this area. Okay, so now we've marked it out. So as long as price remains below this level, we should expect some sell-off towards these areas to fill up these imbalances and the fair value gap which exists here. And already we are seeing a fake out, an upside fake out above this key level. So this is an upside fake out which will lead to an extended move to the downside. So what you need to do is look for sell opportunities within this zone to sell to this very area. Okay, this scenario will change if and only if price begins to trade above this level again. But as long as price is still below this level, it's selling from here with stop loss above this point is the best option. Now, where should you be targeting? First, you target this level, which is a previous key level. Then this fair value gap right here at 1.3488 area, there is another point you can target. Then another target should be this other key level. Then if we still have some bearish pressures, we'll will come down to this key level. So all you need to do is just target the key levels and just trade with the key levels as the price corrects. So another thing you can do is to add your Fibonacci retracement to from this point, from this low to this high. So when we add our Fibonacci retracement to, we see that the 50% Fibonacci retracement is right at this level 1.3598 area. Then the 61.8 Fibonacci is at 1.3553 area. That would be the initial target as we sell from this area. Now, but you need to bear in mind that on the overall that the upward trend is still intact until we begin to see the price close below this level. This upward trend we are seeing here is still intact. We've been having higher highs and higher lows, so just that we're having a fake out above this previous high. So if the price returns above this level, then this upward trend continues. But as long as price remains below this level, then we may see a sell-off or a pullback towards these levels, like I've mentioned, and towards this level, and possibly back towards this low. And if we get a break below this low, then we've just got a double top that could send the price down. So to find out where price will be going, if we see price return above this level, let's put our channel and see what to expect if we see price return back above that level. Alright, so with this, if in any way price returns back above this level, then we may see price head back to the top of this channel to complete the symmetry, okay? But as long as price remains below this level, expect some pullback into this level and possibly into this other area before we see another continuation to the upside. So in summary, for GBPUSD, we're having an upside fake out here above this key level, and price is trading right below it. And we say that any pullback into this area should offer us a good sell opportunity to return to these areas with our stop loss just above here, and our take profit right here and also down here. But if in any case price returns above this point, then the next target should be the top of this channel right at 1.3860 area. So I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.